Crews have concerns about the critical conditions in Southern California. Dangerous winds of up to 40 miles per hour are expected to return, and that may derail some of the progress the fire crews have already made. I'm Courtney Cole.
And I'm David Wade. The National Weather Service has issued a rare warning, calling it a, quote, particularly dangerous situation. At this point, the fires have killed at least 24 people. 23 others are missing, and that number is expected to rise. About 50,000 people who had been ordered to evacuate have been allowed to go back to their homes, or what's left of them. But with the winds kicking up again, we could see more evacuations this week. The fire losses, meantime, are expected to top $135 billion, and that has the insurance industry reeling.
Will we feel the impact here in New England, though, is the question. WBZ's Kristina got some answers.
The images from California are shocking. Homes burning to the ground in minutes as wildfires capture 40,000 acres of land. As we watch from the East Coast, it's a harsh reminder to all homeowners to make sure they're properly covered by insurance.
There's going to be repercussions across the country, if not across the world.
You heard that right. Local insurance agent Patrick Dempsey says the fires 3,000 miles away could eventually impact your bills.
And that could mean rates go up for people across the country, even though it's not happening in our backyard. It's happening to a market that's going to impact ours here.
The reason is because insurance companies don't have the cash flow to cover hundreds of billions of dollars in loss and have to look to their own insurance and state funding as safety nets.
California has been noted to go through some struggles in the recent past with certain larger carriers kind of pulling back in a large scale.
Here's where Massachusetts homeowners should feel some comfort, he says, from a local program that is strong and ready to catch residents should they fall.
The benefit of a good local state government and companies working together well, while at the same time protecting the consumer.
He is a local agent, so his last piece of advice might not surprise you: to stay local when shopping for insurance.
And they all know their backyard. You know, if I'm writing a policy in Norwood, I'll know when certain homes are going to be near, say, a brook or a stream that might put it in a flood zone.
There are some dire situations where the federal government steps in to back insurance companies too, like they did after 9/11 or for major floods. It's too soon to know if that's going to happen in response to the California fires. Kristina, WBZ News.